Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today we are going to make bell peppers. Enjoy the video. You need paper and pencil, scissors, stuffing, pins, thread and needle, red and green felt fabric. Take your paper and draw a shape. Cut. Take your felt fabric, put on fold, pin, cut, remove the pins, cut another set, place on fold, put your pattern, pin, and cut. Okay, it's done. Put this aside. Take this. Take your green felt fabric, scrap fabric, pin this and cut. This one you only need one. This one put on fold and cut. You need two. Okay, put this aside. Take these ones. Take one, fold here like that and sew. Okay, from here to here, from here to here. Go ahead and do that for 1, 2, 3. It's done. Okay, so now take two of these like this, right side facing. This is the right side, this is the right side. Put here and sew here. Okay, like that. Take the other one. Again, open here, and sew. Okay, it's done. So here, open and take this one, open, right side, and put here. Like that, and sew this part. from here to here. Do not sew this part. Okay, it's done. So on here and here. So now this opening, turn inside out, just like that. Okay, it's done. So now take your stuffing. You can easily find this in dollar stores. So take this and insert. Okay, it's done. So now close up here. Take this, put here and sew. Okay, put this aside. Take this and sew right round. Okay, blanket stitch. Okay, it's done. So now sew this here. Okay, it's done like that. This could work as a tomato, but today we want to make a bell pepper. So now from here, give it a shape like that. And sew here. Okay, it's done. It is the shape of a bell pepper now. So now secure the thread. Okay, so here are your bell peppers. They are very nice.